What up? It's Will Vitella, home technology expert, working at another job site in Orange, California, working for this wonderful family, running new wiring to upgrade their Wi-Fi internet to make it more reliable and also make it much faster. Upgrading the old Spectrum coax cable that's running through the attic for a much more modern, freshened up coax cable that's used for today's modems. And also, I'm running Cat6 Plus throughout the house in order so that I could hardwire an eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E mesh internet router system. Now, inside the closet, check this out. I hide all the equipment and all the wires and all the doodads inside of the closet, so that way it's clean and out of the way. Hiding away the modem, hiding away the router and the Ring alarm system and all the smart home devices inside of the closet shelf, and look underneath this desk. So clean and simple with hardwired internet jacks, right? So here you can see an eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E mesh access point antenna inside of the office. So the various rooms, I don't just wirelessly boost the signal, I hardwire the Wi-Fi antennas throughout the house in order so that you get high-speed internet, not just high-speed signal. It covers the whole house, so that way you can have great internet for your Netflix, for your Spotify, for your Apple Music, to do your Zoom. If you want to get something done like this professionally, go to hometechexpert.com and click on Schedule a Free Estimate.